Innovation and iteration are both essential to building great products, but they are not the same thing. Understanding the difference can help you make smarter decisions as you develop your MVP and grow your business. Innovation is about doing something new. It's creating a fresh solution to a problem or bringing an entirely new concept to life. Think of the first iPhone, Airbnb, or blockchain technology. Innovation challenges the status quo. It's bold, sometimes risky, and often misunderstood at first. It's what turns big ideas into game changers. Iteration, on the other hand, is about making something better. It's refining, improving, and evolving what already exists. Iteration is what happens after innovation. You launch, you learn, and then you tweak. It's the driving force behind user-friendly design, seamless performance, and long-term growth. The truth is, most startups need both. You might innovate with your core idea, something unique about how you solve a problem. But to succeed, you'll need to iterate constantly based on feedback, data, and behavior. It's not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. Problems arise when people confuse the two. Chasing constant innovation can lead to feature bloat or losing focus. Sticking only to iteration can mean you never truly stand out. The key is balance. Start with something innovative enough to capture interest, then iterate quickly and often to deliver value. In the MVP stage, think like an innovator, but act like an iterator. Introduce a fresh take, but be ready to test, learn, and improve. That's how products go from promising to powerful, from idea to impact.